That's going on, a lot of stealing. All right. Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious, phenomenal, sensational, magnificent, okay? Phenomenal day. If not, do understand and get your day is going to get better once your perception gets better. I got my little partner over here, okay? My son Javon, and we going to the Jersey City Dollar Tree, my hometown, okay? All right, let's see if they have more stuff or better stuff, okay, than a Dollar Tree that I normally go to. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Okay. How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good. Okay, so first up, I'm in the back to school supply aisle. This is cute. The mini composition notebooks, very, very cute. This is really good for like a journal or whatever, a diary. Very good. And then they have they pencil. I don't know, but you're not getting any. These markers I had showed you guys before. These are really, really good. These highlighters. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. And who remember back in the day, right? You would get the calendars and stuff like this. I think this is like really, really good to have because it keeps you more. Really oh, the calendars? Really?
I'm surprised the people that come here for calendars.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Yeah, so this keeps you really, really organized, especially for the content creators. Oh, wait, hold on, child. Okay. This is good. Weekly planners, okay, goes for the week. I'm gonna get this. I'm definitely gonna get this. $1.25. These are really, really nice. These little disco cups up here, right? They are so, so nice. I like this. Very cute. And then they also have these hang on the doors. Okay, welcome to paradise. Tropical party. Really cute. Okay, I see they still have the 4th of July items here. Oh, this is really, really cute. This right here, coloring stand-ups. Okay, this is cute. So far, I don't really see, too much in here that is wazzling and dazzling me. Okay. Okay, so I see this right here. Give it to God. Okay. Honey, but you have to do something, okay? I just wanted to say that you have to do something, okay? All right? Let's see what else they have before I get up out of here. Okay, so they have some more, I want to say like over the door hangers, okay? Love, hello, pride, home, okay. Now, I do like this photo right here, but I'm not going to get this. Let's see what else. Okay, so one of the things I noticed is I told you guys last time about this body wash right here, right? The Dollar Tree next to my home, okay, their body wash like this, it goes extremely quick, okay? But here I see they have the coconut. The coconut is like really my favorite kind. And this is pretty much the only thing that I mainly see. Okay, I'm gonna get me a strainer, one of these. This strainer is better than a mesh one, so I'm gonna get one of these. Okay, so I don't know. I guess it depends on which Dollar Tree that you go to, because this Dollar Tree is definitely different. Like the Dollar Tree that's by my home, they have dollar plus, okay, which they have like $5 items in here. But this Dollar Tree, honey, they don't have that up in here. At least that's what I see so far. Okay. Yeah. Now, would I come back here to this Dollar Tree? Uh, Probably not. If I'm being honest, probably not. Cause they don't have too much up in here. Okay. How you doing? Do y'all have a plus of like a Always though?
The Dollar Tree Plus items?
Yeah.
Not here.
Oh, not
No.
here.
The only ones that will have it is Bayonne.
Okay, yeah, I know Bayonne has it.
Union City's closed right now. The one on 49th Street in Union City, they don't have it.
Okay.
Clifton, Passaic, like stores.
Oh,
nearby,
out far.
yeah.
Oh, okay. Why only
Right here?
is certain? No, why is it certain Dollar Tree has it? Yeah.
Mostly this one because they steal.
Oh, because they still.
Yeah, so that's why they don't have it.
Oh shoot, honey. Okay, all right. Thank you. Okay, family. So this Dollar Tree, they don't have a dollar plus, and the reason being is because of the theft. Okay, because there's a lot of theft going on, a lot of stealing. All right. Okay. So one of the things that the lady had told me was that since there's a lot of stealing in some Dollar Trees, they won't even put a dollar plus in there. And a dollar plus is the items that are like, $2, $3, $5, and so on.